Well, today on JL Johnny's Jeep Life, I'm going to be installing a 52-inch light bar on my hood. Join me. Originally I had this bracket that went up to here, and the light bar was installed up and along the windshield, but it was way too noisy and whistling and made sound vibrations on my soft top. So today we're going to be installing these brackets to the cowl. That's it. As you see, it was a little bit of a struggle to get that in there, and I had to stretch the sides. Let's see how that looks. And that's what it looks like installed. Let's see if it works. So this is the second set of brackets that I had to get for this. First set of brackets didn't work. You can see that this is not straight up and down, and it's kind of slanted on this side. Let's go over to this side. It's really noticeable on this side too. So let's take it out on the highway and see how it sounds whistling wise. I really don't mind the way it looks. It doesn't really catch my eye too much. When I'm going to be setting my phone down like this, when I'm recording myself driving, you can no longer see my hood, which is kind of a bummer. But let's see how it sounds while we're driving. Windows down. Doing 100 and I hear nothing whatsoever. No whistling at all. Let's try to get up to 120, 130 and see what happens. No whistling whatsoever. And no vibrations on here either. When I get home, I'm going to show you when it was mounted up on the windshield, so you can see what it looked like. I did make a video about that, but I never uploaded it because I only had it installed for about a week, and it didn't make any sense for me to keep the upload on YouTube if I wasn't going to keep the modification. but I'm really happy with how this sounds. And I'm happy in how it looks. When I'm going to be going out on these dark trails, this will light it right up so it looks like sunshine out there. This is the 52-inch LED strip from NVE. What I've done is I've run the power lines through this channel, through the cowl, in through the firewall, and into the engine bay. Now on a JL, you have these wires that hook directly into your auxiliary buttons on your dashboard. Yeah, look at that. That is bright and it looks awesome. What I gotta do in here is I gotta go to the settings and go down to auxiliary switches. And I've got it on number 1 and number 4. So in number 1, I gotta make sure it's checked to ignition. If it's checked to the battery and I forget that it's on, I'll come back to a dead battery. We want to keep it on latching, and we don't want recalled last date, because if I have to turn it on today, I might not necessarily need it tomorrow. So it's not going to remember every single time I go in. Now let's go to number 4, and it's the same way. Ignition, remember last date, let's turn that off. Perfect. We are installed and good to go. So here's an example of what the lights can do. There is regular lights, added fog lights. That's the high beams. That is my amber light. But look at that, it's like daylight out here. Now I can see everything. Thank you for joining me here at JL Johnny's Jeep Life. If you like this video, definitely smash that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And next Sunday, I'm going to be uploading another video, so please stay tuned for that. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and keep the rubber side down. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.